Hi guys, welcome to the video. So you're here probably because you've got a Transit that won't start. So this is what mine's been doing. So you start it up, yeah, wait for it. It just cuts off every time. Just won't stay started. Now there's a few issues that could be. If it's cold, it could be the glow plugs, it could have air in your fuel, or the other thing it could be, which I found out the other day, it could be this little bad boy here. Now this is your ignition switch. I found, well, I think this is what this is going to be for it all, because I had a friend of mine who had a Ford Transit and exactly the same thing has happened like 2 weeks ago, my business partner. So we're going to replace this. This, as I say, is the ignition switch. Part number from Ford, they keep them on the shelf, so that is how common that these go down. Keep them on the shelf. Part number is 1758588. Yeah, that's what it is, and we're going to be replacing that today and showing how you can do it. I mean, this is only about 20 quid part, but I reckon it's going to cure it. So let's get into the video. So what we need to do is obviously we need to take off the bottom cowling so we can get to it. Sometimes you don't know what's underneath these when you get them out. So what I like to do is I like to put my finger in it, and then what it does is it leaves an imprint on your finger. So we know it's a T20 Torx bit. Yeah, it's a T20. Two of them. We'll pull this bottom cowling off as well. There's a bottom bit underneath, we just pulls that off. It's only got some clips, holds that in. Yeah, there's no more under there. What we'll do is we'll give it a yank. Give it a yank both sides. Mine was being a bit more fiddly because I had these controls on it, but as I say, they're quite easy to get off, but we don't even have that anymore, so we might as well throw that away. Right, then underneath here we can now see, on the back side, I'll show you. Right, so here we are. Obviously we've got the key, goes in this side here, but then along and at the back here, you'll see there's a wire here. See this wire here? It's got a grey connector on this one. Mine, new one is black. What I want to do is pull that out. Push in the pin. And take that out there. Then we need to get this off, which is held on by a couple of clips. We're going to need a little screwdriver or pick. Follow, we need to get some torch involved here so we can see what we're doing. So yeah, this is it here, this bit right here. Oh yeah, there's a clip there, push that one there. There's probably another one on the top as well, which there is, which I think I've just pushed in. Right, yeah, here we go, now I can see it. Push that in there as well. We'll take that out. So this is the old one that we've got, yeah? And obviously this is our new one. We'll pop this in into here, like that, like that. Click. Put this in the back there, and now we'll try and start it, and we'll see what happens. Alright. Straight away, look at that, perfect. No more cutting out. Don't worry about that, that's the starter motor. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So guys, if you wanna try that one out, it's ignition switch. It's about 20 quid. It's an easy fix to do. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Will help me out, and I'll do some more stuff and a bit about on the cars and the Transits. Thanks for watching.